Hey guys, what is going on? So today is the day, dude. iOS 12 finally gets out to the public. For the longest time, it wasn't letting me download it, but literally as I started recording this video, you could see me click yes on my phone. I just downloaded the update for iOS 12. Super pumped about this update, guys. In this video, I'm going to be explaining if you should update or not to the latest iOS 12. So the first thing that I want to go over, guys, is that it has so many new features. It's unbelievable, dude. It has group FaceTime, it has a new measure app, Siri shortcuts, it has new animojis and memojis, and a new app switcher for the iPhone 10. So it's a lot more easier to switch between apps, which I've been super excited for. On the previous iOS right now is not really that good. It's all right, but with the iOS 12 version, it's a lot better and a lot more convenient and faster. So I'm really looking forward to that feature because it's a really small little touch, but it'll make it a lot faster to switch between apps, which I'm really excited for. The next thing, guys, is a lot of people are scared of updating to the latest iOS just because there's a lot of bugs usually when it first comes out, and that has been the case for pretty much every single iOS. Like iOS 11, when it first came out, there was a couple of bugs. iOS 10, there was a couple of bugs as well. iOS 9, you know, you get the deal. But guys, I honestly do not think there's gonna be too many bugs in this iOS just because I downloaded the very first iOS 12 beta 1, and it was running very smoothly. The smoothest beta I've ever tested when I've tested betas. In my previous beta testing, it seemed like a finished iOS when I was on beta 1, except the battery life was pretty buns on it. Besides that, it was running very smoothly and a lot faster than I thought it was gonna run. Now it's finally out. I don't think there's gonna be any bugs at all. Maybe a couple, but like small bugs that you probably won't even like notice. Like it's not gonna distract you or annoy you or anything like that, I'm sure. So yeah, guys, I think this is gonna be a really smooth and like very fast iOS. I think the battery life is gonna be improved as well. I think it's ready to be released to the public, and I think this is like the very first iOS, like first state iOS that it's gonna run how it should be on release day. So I think this is gonna be a really good iOS. If you're running like an older device, like an iPhone 6, iPhone 6s, they're gonna be ramping up the speed for all the old devices. 40% faster, so it's gonna be a lot faster, and 50% faster for the keyboard swipe up. So you'll definitely notice that. So like when you're about to text something, your keyboard will come up 50% faster and everything will be 40% faster, like switching between apps and stuff like that. It'll be 40% faster, dude. That's unbelievable. I'm really glad Apple is doing this because with the previous iOSs, they were making it slower. They were making the iPhone slower, which is kind of messed up, but people just realized it. They're like, wait, dude, they're making them slower. Why are they doing that? And it's not a huge improvement, but there's a lot of updates that are coming. And just as you can see by this list right here, dude, there's a lot of things that are coming. There's a lot of things that are new with it. So if you want to try something new and fresh, this is definitely the iOS to try out. And I definitely think it's ready for the public. I don't think there's going to be too many glitches at all or bugs, anything like that. So yeah, guys, I'm updating it for both of my devices, and I cannot wait to get on this, dude. It's going to be sick. New update, new and fresh look, new wallpapers. It's going to be dope, guys. Oh yeah, guys. Also, before you leave, make sure to drop a follow. I just made a new Instagram. It's called appleaxis. So basically what this Instagram is all about, it's going to be giving you the latest news on Apple, like the rumors, when stuff comes out, when stuff is live and everything like that. So make sure to follow that account on Instagram, appleaxis. I'll leave it down in the description below if you guys want to check it out, dude. It would mean a lot if you guys can give that a follow. But anyways, guys, if you guys like this video, please drop a like and subscribe, guys, to the channel. And let me know how you guys are liking iOS 12, or if you're going to download it, if you're not going to download it. Let me know down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.